Okay, guys, are you happy? Yes. Okay, so can you please check under your chairs and sit properly? Okay, so before we start our lesson, let me discuss you our classroom rules. So this is our classroom rules. The acronym with the acronym with fresh. Okay, so please read everyone.
Classroom rules. F for stay focused. R, raise your hand if you want to answer. E, eyes on the board. S, sit properly. H, hustle to learn and be happy.
Okay, thank you everyone. Who's the secretary in this class? May I know? May I know who is absent and how many present?
Male voice is present and female voice is one. Again, female voice is one present. Male voice is not.
Okay, so the absent is?
The absent voice is two male. And four female.
Okay, so thank you, Miss Secretary. Okay. So, about your previous lesson, what is your understanding about? Anyone? Yes.
The topic po is reading job related. It involves the reviewing materials.
Okay, thank you. Give a very good clap for Miss. What's your name? Jayren. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, again, everyone. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, so next is please read our learning objective. Everyone.
Analyze what is the writing process through this different analytic called activity. Appreciate the importance of the writing process by answering the given questions. Join and treat the process of each stage through the above activity.
Now I have here a code. Okay, all you need to do is read. Read it loud. Okay, so this is a code. Okay, everyone, please read.
If you fail to plan, you plan to fail.
Again.
If you fail to plan, you plan to fail.
Okay, so if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. What is your idea about this code? Everyone, anyone who wants to answer in your own words. Every answer is acceptable. Don't worry, class. Come on, guys. Don't be shy. Yes, Hannah. Don't be shy. Yes, Anna? Yes. Okay, so in our daily lives, we need to plan our, yes, of course, decision for not to fail. Every decision we need to plan in our lives. Okay, so thank you, Hannah. Please give a round of applause for Hannah. Right here. Everyone, come on. Okay, Hannah, I got something, a gift from you, of course. When you write in your note, you always remember Mom Juana. Thank you. Okay, next. Okay, so let's have another game or activity. Okay, our activity is all about decipher the code or decipher the hidden code. Okay. Okay, so please read the instructions, class.
Instructions. The students will be divided into two groups. The student will decode the given numbers into letters to reveal the phrase. Each number stands for letter A equals 1, B equals 2, C equals 3, and so on until reading equals 26. Papers will be provided by teacher to write the decode the phrase. The group that finished first the correct answer review. The student will have activities to complete this activity.
Okay, so I have here another example. Okay, so 1 plus 1 equals 2, then 2 equals 3. So, okay, so this will be the group 1, okay, in the other side, and of course, this will be the group 2 in the other side. Okay, so count from anak 1. Okay, so go to your designation. Oh, come on, guys. So I've got, okay, I have here a writing is one to communicate. Therefore, writing is a process. Okay, so what? Okay, again, why we are writing? Why we are writing to?
Communicate.
Again, why we are writing?
To communicate.
Yeah, we are writing to communicate. Have you ever write a letter for your loved ones? Huh? Okay, so do you think writing is hard? Do you think writing is hard? Okay, no. Good. So let's proceed to our process of writing. So, when we're writing, what are we going to use? A ball pen, of course, and of course, a pencil. So I have a pencil here. Okay. Okay, so let's proceed to our writing process. Okay, did you know, class? There are 3 stages of writing stage. Process, okay. Okay, the first one is
The pre-writing stage.
and the second one,
The writing stage.
and of course, the last one.
The post-writing stage.
Okay, again, everybody.
The pre-writing stage. The writing stage. The post-writing stage.
Okay, thank you, class. Okay, remember, in all these writing stages, remember that your goal is, again, to communicate. Okay. Okay, let's discuss our first stage, the pre-writing stage. Okay, please read, everyone.
The pre-writing stage is the most difficult writing stage for some people. Some do not have enough confidence to plan their own writing, which makes them unable to plan properly.
Okay, based on that text or based on that pre-writing stage, what is your idea about that stage? What is your idea about that stage? Anyone who wants to answer? Come on, guys, don't be shy. Okay, so do you think we need to learn that pre-writing stage? Yes. Okay. We need to learn that. We need to learn the first process of writing process. Okay, the pre-writing stage. Okay, when we say pre-writing stage, always remember that we have to plan. Okay, planning. Before you start to write, you need to plan. Okay? The second one is outlining. Okay. Okay, again, please read. The first one is
Planning.
The second one is
Outlining.
Of course, we need the foundation of your writing. And the last one is plastering. So again, everybody, guys, when we say, okay, sorry. Okay. I mean the writing, the pre-writing stage. Okay. When we say the pre-writing stage, class, again, we need to planning, outlining,
Foundation of your writing.
and of course the last again,
Clustering.
yes, the clustering. Okay, clustering. Again, everybody.
Planning, outlining, foundation of your writing, clustering.
Okay, don't forget, class, when we say when we are in the pre-writing stage, we need to remember this planning, outlining, foundation of your writing, and of course, the last one, clustering. Okay, for the second stage, the writing stage. Okay, please read everyone.
The writing stage at this point, you have already generated sufficient ideas for you to put them together in a form with substance. Remember, your main focus on the writing stage is content, form, and substance.
Okay, what is your idea about the writing stage? What is your idea about the writing stage? Anyone? What is your idea about the writing stage? Anyone? From the class? How about? Yes. Come on, please stand up. Don't be shy.
In this writing stage ko, it involves the introduction, body ng
Yes. So very good. Let's give very good class to Miss Jasmine. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Very good.
Okay, so we need the body, the introduction, of course, the introduction of, like for example, we write a letter for your loved ones. We write, of course, the introduction will be, Dear my love, or Dear baby. Okay, and the last one is, what is this?
Conclusion.
Again, when we say the writing stage, there's a 3 keyword of that stage. Okay, the first one is
Body, introduction, and conclusion.
again, everyone, please loud your voice.
The body, introduction, and conclusion.
Okay, thank you, everyone. And of course, the last one. We need it the pause.
Writing stage.
What is the last stage?
The post-writing stage.
Okay, please read everyone.
The post-writing stage, now that your paper is complete in content and substance, you are now ready to polish it by checking on 4 important things: support, unity, coherence, and grammar and mechanics.
Okay, from that stage, what is your idea about the post-writing stage? Yes. Other hand, everyone. Good morning. Other hand, everyone. Come on, guys, don't be shy. Okay.
The reading and the revising stage.
Again.
The proofreading and revising stage.
Okay. When we say the post-writing stage, this stage is need to prove what? You need to yes, you need to finalize your writing. Of course, because that will grammar or spelling to before you publish your writing. Ano, okay, so the next one is what? What is the next?
Revising.
Again?
Revising.
Okay. So the next stage of post writing is revising. Okay. And the last one is again
Proofreading.
okay, so again, when we say the post writing stage, the keyword of that stage is
Checking grammar, revising, proofreading.
again, everyone.
Checking grammar, revising, proofreading.
Okay, so let me check if you understand what we learned. Okay, guys. Okay, class. Okay. Okay. So, who wants to answer the stages of the pre-writing stage or the first stage of our writing? Okay. One. Come on. Finish writing. Okay, so do you think class this is correct?
Yes.
Okay, again, what is the keyword of rewriting stage?
Planning, outlining, foundation of the writing mastery.
Okay, who wants to answer with the second stage? Yes?
Ikaw pa rin na ngayon?
Okay, do you think it's Okay, okay, when we say box writing, we need to remember the keyword of that.
Checking grammar, revising, and proofreading.
Again,
Checking grammar, revising, and proofreading.
okay, class. Very good. Give yourself a very good clap.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Very good. Again, louder.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Very good.
Okay, very good class. Okay, ayan. Let's have another. Okay, our game is called Pick Up. Pick Up. Pick Up. Pick Up. Okay, can you please read the instruction, class? Everyone, please read.
Pick up. I'll group you into 3. The first group is the pre-writing stage. The second group is the writing stage. And the third group is the post-writing stage. And I have here certain words or phrases that possibly define or describe the stage that is assigned to you. You are going to choose or pick a book that suits the corresponding grade.
So, okay, class. Count 1, 2, 3.
I joined the
Okay, so this side will be the group 1, the group 2, and that side will be the group 3. Okay, so I need 2 or 3 representatives from the group, and you will put the ball to the corresponding to your stage, and you need to explain it. What is your own idea about that stages? Okay, so you need to pick 2 or 3 representatives. Okay, so the group 1 will be the pre-writing stage, and of course the group 2 will be the writing stage, and the group 3 will be the last stage. Okay, all you need to do is to pick a representative. Present your
Avoid either make
The winning group will have a burger later in the canteen. I will pay for it. Okay? The winning group will
We'll get it.
okay, the theme is, or the co-teachers, my co-teachers are choose to be to the winner. Okay, so ano you will do to present that. Group 2, are you ready? How about the group 3? Okay, the group 1 will be the first. The group 1 will be the first presenter. Okay, let's start now. Okay, before you present, anak, you will choose the flower.
Good morning, everyone. We are Group 1.
Okay, be ready, group 2 and group 3.
Again, good morning, everyone. We're going to explain one of the writing process, which is called pre-writing stage. It is the most difficult stage in the process of writing. The first one is planning. We're going to explain the 4 parts of the pre-writing stage. Planning is the setting of goals. Before you make a plan, you need to make a best decision. And the next is outlining. Outlining is organize your text. Before you pass your paper or your written, you need to see if the text or written is organized. The third one is foundation of your writing. It will be the base of your writing. And then the last one is lastly, it's used for brainstorming for your writing. Again, the pre-writing stage helps us to organize our thoughts and ideas. That's all.
Okay, very good. Give a very good clap for group 1, everyone. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, who will be the next presenter? Okay, the group 2 will be the next presenter. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. We are the group 2. So, our stage is the writing stage. Here in writing stage, the main focus here is your form, content, and your content. So, we have the three structure of writing and output, which is the introduction, the body, conclusion. We will discuss the introduction. Here in the introduction, the reader is being introduced to the topic or argument that will be discussed or being presented. Then we have the body.
Secondly, we have the body. When we say the body, it talk about when we see the body explain or expand the writing essay.
So the last one is conclusion. The conclusion is the important as the introduction. In conclusion, we see the lesson learned or the brief statement.
That's all, ma'am.
Okay, very good, group 2. Can you please give a very good clap for group 2? 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay, and the last presenter will be that. The group 3.
Yeah. Good morning. ABM, yes. ABM 11, right? Yeah, early in the morning they're giving me a headache because you did very good. So good job to everyone. And very good class.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, very good.
Alright, but if, since I'm one of the judges and I need to pick my winner, I'm here for the yellow shirt. So that's group 1. That's my winner.
Okay. Okay, let's have another feedback from Ma'am Andrea.
So, good morning, 8 and 11. I am Ma'am Andrea. So, I will give my vote for group 2.
Okay. Group 2. Okay, let's have another feedback from Ma'am Janine.
Thank you, Ma'am.
Good morning, ABM 11. So, based on your performance, based on your presentation, I would choose the yellow one for the winner.
Okay, the group 1. Okay, let's have another feedback to tally the vote. Okay, may I call Miss Giselle?
Good morning, ABM 11. So, you did a great job, but I chose the group 1.
What? Okay, so give a very good clap for group 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so for other group, it's okay. You all did a good job. Okay, so give a round of applause for ourselves. Okay, so later we have okay. Okay, so it's time to release. Okay, so it's time okay, so I have give you a paper. Morning. Please have a seat.
Well, ito na kayo. Ini, dali, ini.
Okay, pass it on the top. Okay, 2 minutes left to answer that, please. Okay, I give you 5 minutes.
Another 5 minutes daw.
Nakakita sa kanila.
Mag-check pa sila.
Ha? Yan. Hindi pala din natin nakita. Yung nakita.
Ito lang.
Are you done? Are you done? Yes. Okay. We check it. Exchange your paper. Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so exchange your paper. Okay. The answer is, number 1, the answer is? True. Okay, true.
lang mag-good date. Saan kayo? Permanent yan?